NVIDIA Corporation, NVDA, upgraded at Needham & Company LLC was originally published by us and is the property of us. Oakbrook Investments LLC's holdings in NVIDIA Corporation were worth $6,208,000 as of its most recent filing with the SEC. 3,107 shares valued at $434,980 were sold by C. Wellbrook on Wednesday, May 24. Insiders sold a total of 452,784 shares of company stock worth $81,437,724 in the last 90 days. NVIDIA Corporation now has $125.55 billion valuation. Bailey Gifford & Company now owns 5,301,449 shares of the computer hardware maker stock valued at $249,221,000 after buying an additional 160,043 shares during the period. It is outperformed by 195.58% the S&P 500. Another trade for 25,507 shares valued at $3.50 million was sold by Bayer & Michael. $11.46 million worth of stock was sold by Pura JK on Tuesday, mid-23rd. Kames Public Limited (COM) holds 0% of its portfolio in NVIDIA Corporation, Nasdaq NVDA, for 112,136 shares. Cox Tench sold $8.23 million worth of stock or 50,000 shares. The scale runs from 1 to 5 with 1 recommending strong buy and 5 recommending a strong sell. Therefore 56% are positive. Analysts expect NVIDIA to earn 94 cents a share, up 13% year-over-year, on sales of $2.36 billion, up 18%, in its fiscal third quarter ended October 29. Roth Capital initiated NVIDIA Corporation, Nasdaq NVDA, on Monday, October 12 with neutral rating. Scotia Capital has sector perform rating and $14.50 target. Mizuho maintained NVIDIA Corporation, Nasdaq NVDA, rating on Wednesday, June 28. The stock has a consensus rating of hold and an average target price of $166.93. The rating was maintained by Telsey Advisory Group on Friday, May 26 with outperform. Also, Director Mark L. Perry sold 16,281 shares of the firm's stock in a transaction dated Monday, August 14. The company was maintained on Thursday, July 20 by Piper Jaffray. Mizuho maintained NVIDIA Corporation, Nasdaq NVDA, rating on Friday, August 12. The shares were sold at an average price of $162.24. for a total value of $2,641,429.44. Watson Matthew also sold $880,344 worth of Best Buy Company Incorporated, New York Stock Exchange BBY, on Friday, mid-26. Fjord App owns 123,326 shares. Integrated Device Technology, Nasdaq IDT, was raised to ADV decreased its holdings in NVIDIA Corporation, Nasdaq NVDA, by 33.3% during the third quarter, according to the company in its most recent disclosure with the Securities and Exchange Commission. NVDA's profit will be $564.01 million for 55.79 PE if the 94 cents EPS becomes a reality. During the same quarter in the prior year, the firm posted 53 cents EPS. Equities research analysts predict that NVIDIA Corporation will post 3.61 EPS for the current fiscal year. Investors' sentiment increased to 1.13 in Q2 2017. It's up 0.21 from 1 in 2017 Q1. Shares of NVIDIA Corporation, NVDA, traded down $2.87 during trading hours on Wednesday, reaching $209.16. 131 funds open positions, while 273 raised stakes. Royal Bank of Canada reaffirmed an outperform rating and issued a $175 target price on shares of NVIDIA Corporation in a research report on Thursday, July 13. They expect 94 cents EPS, up 13.25%, or 11 cents from last year's 83 cents per share. Centers of America Incorporated holds 2,317 shares, or 0.03% of its portfolio. Controvisory Management accumulated 2,619 shares, invested in 254,739 shares. The correct version of this news story can be read at https://www.alternatives-alternatives-adv-havs-20177/1/09/009/planning-alternatives-in-position-in-havin-in-position-in-position-in-position. Quanters Asset Limited accumulated 46,000 shares. Macquarie GP has 575,489 shares. Massachusetts Service MA reported 1.74% stake. RBC Capital Markets reaffirmed an outperform rating and set a $72 target price on shares of NVIDIA Corp. In a research note on Wednesday, August 31. Value Engine downgraded the shares of BBY in report on Monday, May 29 to hold rating. Vanguard Group stated it has 0.29% in NVIDIA Corporation, Nasdaq NVDA. TRB Advisors LP invested in 37.69%, or 572,500 shares. It closed at $8.82. Lastly, Conin Klitschke Phillips Nevada, ADR, New York Stock Exchange PHG, has risen 38.13% since November 8, 2016 and is uptrending. It is underperformed by 8.94% the S&P 500. Retirement of Alabama owns 288,489 shares for 0.22% of their portfolio. Icon Advisors Incorporated Company owns 421,067 shares, or 0.25% of their USA portfolio. The computer hardware maker reported $1.01 earnings per share for the quarter, beating the Zacks consensus estimate of 69 cents by 32 cents. The Minnesota-based SID Investment Associates Incorporated has invested 0.15% in the stock. Nuveen Asset MNGMT Limited, of Illinois-based fund reported 257,094 shares. Receive news and ratings via email. Enter your email address below to receive a concise daily summary of the latest news and analysts' ratings with our free daily email newsletter.